Hello everyone. Today I will tell you the benefits of banana. Boiled banana for deep sleep. Boiled bananas can be a simple and natural way to improve your sleep. Here's how boiled banana tea works and how you can easily make it at home. First, bananas are excellent for promoting a calm and relaxing night's sleep. They naturally help the body unwind. Second, bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium. These minerals act as natural muscle relaxants, helping your body settle and prepare for sleep. Third, bananas are considered one of the most powerful natural sleep aids. To prepare banana tea, slice 1 to 2 bananas in half and place them in a pan with 1 cup of water. Let them boil for about 5 minutes. Make sure to boil the peel as well, as this is very important. Fourth, remove the banana pieces and pour the banana tea into a cup. You can add a little cinnamon or honey for extra flavor if you like. Fifth, because the banana peel is boiled, the tea contains tryptophan. This amino acid supports healthy brain function and helps produce relaxing neurotransmitters that promote sleep. Sixth, drink the tea about 20 minutes before going to bed, so it has time to work. You can also eat the boiled banana, including the peel if you prefer. It tastes good and can even be added to porridge. Seventh, for the best results, it's recommended to use organic bananas. They are usually richer in nutrients because they are grown without chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Eighth, this is a natural alternative to store-bought sleep aids and medications, which can often lead to dependency. Banana tea made with water is completely natural. Ninth, poor sleep can lead to many problems, especially reduced focus, memory, and mental clarity. Getting a good night's sleep is essential for emotional, physical, and mental health. Finally, many people have found this banana tea helpful for easing insomnia and improving sleep quality. It can be safely used whenever you struggle to fall asleep. Thank you for listening. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more healthy videos. Wishing you great health, peace, and happiness.